Producers. Energy and matter flow. Producers receive free energy from the sun and matter from the earth, air, and water. Producers emit heat and oxygen back into the air. That allows them to grow and store free energy. Producers also receive essential chemicals from the earth, which plants and trees get from water absorbed by their roots. Consumers. Energy and matter flow. Consumers receive free energy and matter from consuming other organisms, as well as from air and water. The matter and energy they receive from the other organisms is called food. To a much lesser extent than the producers, consumers receive matter from the earth, such as salt and other minerals. They also receive oxygen from the air and emit carbon dioxide, the reverse of the producer's process. But note that the producers must consume their own food as well. Even though they can make their own food, they must also break down that food for energy.
A food chain diagram shows a simple relationship between the animals that eat each other. Arrows show the direction of the flow of energy and matter. Producers capture light energy, which moves energy into the cells of each consumer, where metabolic reactions move energy from molecule to molecule. Energy is transformed as it moves through ecosystems. Relationships are usually more complex as animals eat more than one food. This requires a food web. Energy flows in a one-way direction. Sunlight hits Earth, enters the biosphere, turns into heat, and then is released as infrared radiation from Earth.
Food chain. Energy and nutrients flow together as indicated by the green arrows. Note how the flow branches with each organism up to the top consumer, the hawk. The yellow and red arrows indicate energy flows only, the incoming solar energy in yellow and the outgoing heat energy in red. The blue arrow indicates nutrient flow only, in this case from the decomposers, the mushrooms, back to the producers, pictured here as the plants. Energy pyramids. An energy pyramid is another way of showing energy and matter flowing through ecosystems. Producers are at the bottom of every pyramid. A food chain or food web is followed by moving up the levels of the pyramid. Primary consumers are typically herbivores. Secondary and tertiary consumers may be omnivores or carnivores. Energy pyramids. Different types of consumers, herbivores, omnivores, or carnivores may occupy the upper levels, and each ecosystem will have a unique energy pyramid. In the simple pyramid shown below, a carnivore is the top predator. Decomposers recycle the nutrients from all organisms that die and recycle them for the producers.